Good morning. It's raining out, so I thought I'd come down to the studio and film a kind of a strange video. All of the videos I do are based on your comments and questions. Today I'm going to talk about camp cleanup, whether you're at a campground or you're at a private person's property. There are possibilities of having fun things like bears. One thing that I have used, whether it's to clean the campsite, move the rocks around because somebody moved the picnic table and left big piles around, or to pick up food that has been left all over the ground. I have two hounds. They'll eat anything off the ground. Pieces of bacon that somebody threw out. I like to be careful because I don't want to be ruining my traveling with running to a local vet. This is obviously a rake. I've used it a number of times at campgrounds. I've found pistachio shells and bits of beer bottles and lots of cigarette butts. This rake, I'm going to put the description in the description. Wow, you do this and it extends to being a full-size rake. It has a nice long handle, so you can just rake up your campsite. My biggest complaint is people not picking up after their pets. I picked these up. They're unscented. That's important. It's not food, baby. These are environmentally friendly. They will biodegrade, made from 65% post-consumer recycled plastic. Another product that I use, these are compostable bags. They're 6 gallons. Link will be in the description section. You can use these in bucket toilets. I use them for food waste, also dog waste. Everything gets put in one of these and brought to a dumpster. Whether it's a campground dumpster or a bear-proof dumpster, which I'm going to move right into the bear thing. If you see this notepad, it's only because I'm referring back to notes. I've stayed in bear areas. I've seen a lot of bears. They haven't bothered me. Bears generally don't want to bother you. They want food. The first thing that I would say is make sure your vehicle is locked because there's food in it. There's coolers in it. Bears can run short distances of 35 miles an hour, so don't try to run away from them. Just try to make yourself look really big. I talked about the poo bags, whether they're human, food waste, or poo. Two things not to do. Don't let your animals poo in your campsite. Don't let them pee in your campsite. Bears are attracted to urine. There's something about salt in urine, and just it's a fun smell for them. Think of territorial. What do my dogs do? If this one pees, this one's going to go and pee on it. Bears do the same thing. If you're grilling food, make sure your grill burns off totally from any food cooking smells. At the end of the day, you want to go brush your teeth, maybe take a shower, use some deodorant because you can't even stand yourself. Don't use anything that smells strong. Take a bottle of water, drink most of it. Wet your toothbrush with it. Use a washcloth. Clean. Whatever you have brushed your teeth with, if it's minty or smells good, spit it back into the bottle and put the bottle in the trash. Same thing with deodorants. Try to go with things that don't have a scent. And there's a lot of unscented products out there to use. Anything that smells like mint, if it's an essential oil, if it's a sunscreen, a shampoo, a toothpaste, face cream. I obviously don't bother with any of that. I do if I'm going out, but not when I'm on the road. And it keeps some people away, which could be good. Be aware of where you're going. There are, and I'm going to quote, possession of weapons, including bear spray, is prohibited. There are a number of state parks that do not allow bear spray. Call them up before you go. Just be aware, not only bear aware, but using something that can be considered a weapon can get you in all kinds of trouble too. Bear spray is not a repellent. I had somebody tell me last year that they spray bear spray all over their tent. It is not a repellent, it's a deterrent. A bear has to be about 60 feet away from you And you better know how to use that. If it's acting aggressively toward you, then you use the bear spray. There are bears that don't care about bear spray. It's an oleoresin capsaicin. I, for one, am allergic to those kinds of sprays, yet I can eat hot peppers. If I put it on me, I will sneeze my head off for the day, but it doesn't affect me in any other way. I just sneeze myself to death. Yet if I eat hot peppers, yeah, give me a ghost pepper any day of the week, and the capsaicin in there will not bother me. I hope you enjoyed this series. I'm always looking for suggestions, comments. If you like the series, let me know. If you have anything you want to see, I probably have it. Did you know that minivans are becoming one of the #1 bear attracting cars? I was shocked.